Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, them say September at the date. Now, some people are asked, why is Sparta still behind bars even though he has not been charged? It's supposed to clear to by now, viewers and subscribers, and the campaign trail. Well, gone are the days when they ask for road. The people stop ask for road because, as we see, take place with the road traveling to Mineralites. Yeah, if you ever visited the mineral bath, them build highway adjacent to that road, but did not fix the road for the residents. Maybe them are going to see them now, and I'm going to tell them I promise them road again. Now, viewers and subscribers, on the campaign trail, them are going to talk about job creations and, of course, crime, which is high on the minds of the citizens of this country. Now, viewers and subscribers, for MPs and councillors in the Mobi region, Mobi St. James, what them are going to tell for them constituency? Them are going to need a face for parade round and say, watch you know? Yes, we are cleaning up the parish of St. James. Now, viewers and subscribers, they have already held the individuals linked to majority of the atrocities that they claim are done by these individuals. Them say some of them linked to P0litical Sparta. However, they have not said P0litical Sparta was directly involved. Why haven't they released P0litical Sparta as yet? Well, these individuals are individuals of no name. You can't use them name on a campaign trail. Viewers and subscribers, when you can place P0litical Sparta and use him and say, well, this is the leader of this said grouping. Notice the marks P0litical Sparta for forwarding, for questioning. Many hear of them are calling for the person who is dubbed as the leader for the group, unless he is currently wanted and living as a fugitive. I don't know, comment in the comment section if you know. But them ask P0litical Sparta for forwarding for custom. Them now ask for the person who they have dubbed as the leader of the group. Him now have that kind of name as well. P0litical Sparta is an entertainer. Them do the same thing with Vibes Cartel. I always point out the similarities, and people are say, yo, you just say it for say its sake. No, it is true. And it is not coincidence that this is taking place during this time. Remember, even though he has not been charged with anything, and all him await for him freedom, in them for asking for some questions, him answer the questions, still no release. Even though he had 3 hearings scheduled this week. What a rush. Even though it's a good look, so them are deal with it in a very timely fashion. Think about it. Think about it. Last time them having behind the bars, it wasn't such a strict procedure. In this current settings, them could have used a number of reasons to say why there's a hold up. But no, them say they are deal with speedily. Let's see if them are going to release the artists, viewers and subscribers. Because there's also a flip to it. Them can release the artists and I say, watch out. The justice system is at work. Same way. Because we have held the individuals who are being, I feel them name a call upon the things. And this individual was wrongfully there and we release him. That card can be played too as well. If you don't know anything, there's always 2 sides to the coin. And from them flip it, them can present any side to the constituents. But I definitely food for thought, viewers and subscribers. P0litical Sparta seems to be the new trophy for the justice system, along with Vybz Kartel and all the other co-accused. Because think about it, when Mobi can be considered as our tourism capital, and we all know what take place in a Mobi, and we know shape or form condole it. Now has P0litical Sparta, he himself has said, remember, P0litical Sparta and his family has also felt the effects of the situation. Remember what happened to him daughter recently. So, and like him no know first hand, and not hearsay, and not friend it happened to him know personally the situation. So we know where shape or form I condole it. It is condemned by all, even by the same individuals from the community. Nobody now say nothing good happen. However, they are saying these individuals have done this. And them have them. Them say them have them. Them say these are the individuals that do it and we have them behind the bars. It should be a closed case. Only thing to do it now are just present individuals before judges. But for some reason, it doesn't seem to be a smooth road. Or it is being done and being kept on a level where you have to go, definitely go in and inquire. But for some reason, when them pick up P0litical Sparta, it was public news. When them parade him around, it was public news. When the individuals were held, it was public news. Everything else after that, behind closed doors. Something else is at play, viewers. Talk to me if you see the plot. Something else is clearly at play. No charges. No charges. And them can't even say no charges as yet. Because as we know, last year, the Spartan was there. The year before, he was there as well. So, it's almost like them. This is a routine thing now for P0litical Sparta. Where every year, them try to blame him for something new. But I understand. These can't be the practices. And then now with September being the date set, them need to address situations like this before even addressing people in a public setting. I've seen that we cannot work out how we will resume schooling, but gatherings for handling these matters can be swiftly worked out within a matter of weeks. Food for thought again. Definitely food for thought again. And also, if them can sort out these matters, even P0litical Sparta matter, but them can set 3 dates, one after the other. Why them couldn't do it the first time or the previous time? And why is there still a hold up with Vybz Kartel's appeal court decision to take the case to the privy? Why there's the hold up? Where is the justification for the hold up in a P0litical Sparta case after the situation was overturned by the Supreme Court? Some people are saying he might go there for that, but it was already overturned by the Supreme Court. So why need to go there to them for him? Maybe just the way the law works. Talk to me in the comment section. As you know, it's an interactive reason. We don't know it all, and we never pretend to. What do you really know if you learn every day anyway? So at the same time, comment section open. Comment section open. Talk to viewers and subscribers. We don't have no concerns. You know what I mean? As do we all. Spartan family, I look to see me this. Same thing for Vybz Kartel. Same thing for Shanstown. Same thing for Matsu Skyro. And all who are there without right. All who are there without right. Talk to me in the comment section. Them say this is the final court appearance for P0litical Sparta, and he will be released soon after this. We can't say exactly after this. So all we can say is very soon after this. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon, the tweet, drop a like on the blog for me, like your share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell them sister and them brother them, but check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Yeah man, comment section out as I say, 24/7 never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yeah man, now move settings for me, we don't need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours, that we live, love and prosper until the reason again.